Hello everyone, welcome to Maths IEC. Now, the periodic time of a mass spring system is given by the formula T is equal to 2 pi root m over k. T is the periodic time, k is the spring constant, m is the mass, and you need to know how to derive this for A-level physics. Now, when you consider the acceleration of this mass, we can write the formula F is equal to ma. But we know this force is exerted by the spring. So from Hooke's law, we know that force is given by F equals kx. Now obviously we can say the left hand sides are the same. So I can equate the right hand sides. 1 is equal to 2. So we can write kx is equal to ma. We know this acceleration is omega squared x. A is equal to omega squared x. So let's substitute for A. So we get kx is equal to m omega squared x. This x and this x gets cancelled out. But we know omega is equal to 2 pi divided by t, periodic time. So I can substitute it here. So I get k is equal to m 2 pi divided by t, everything squared. K is equal to m 4 pi squared over t squared. Now I need to make t squared the subject. So I get t squared is equal to m 4 pi squared over root both sides. So I get t is equal to square root of 4 pi squared is 2 pi root m over k. Done.